Hello everyone, I'm Shanvika from grade 2, Geetanjali High School, West Marakpalli branch, Secunderabad. Butterfly is one of the beautiful and colorful creatures on the earth. And today, I'm here to explain you how it is formed and takes its shape. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 main stages that are completely different from each other. Stage 1, eggs. Mother butterfly lays many eggs. But do you know, mother butterfly hatches eggs to the leaves with a special glue, just like I used glue for my project. Stage 2, caterpillar. Eggs hatches and grows into caterpillar. It eats leaves and flowers and grows very fast. Leaves are healthy to caterpillars even. Stage 3, pupa. Caterpillar wraps itself in a cocoon and turns into pupa. It remains inactive during the stage and it doesn't eat. But what do you think is a cocoon? A cocoon is silky wrap which caterpillar makes with its saliva. Stage 4, adult butterfly. Pupa turns into a beautiful and colorful adult butterfly. Mostly, young ones of animals look same, but young ones of butterflies doesn't look same. They look different in different stages. I think now you understood about the life cycle of a butterfly, and these are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly.